Hello everyone, Joe Vitale, American Retirement Advisors with the Gradient Investments Weekly Talking Points for the week ending May 21st, 2021. Let's get into some stocks. The broader U.S. stock market was down slightly for the week with the S&P 500 down 0.33%. The Russell 2000 was down 0.41%, but the NASDAQ rose 0.41%. While the international markets were the winners. The developed markets, which is the EFA, rose 1.08%, and the emerging markets rose 1.75%. Now in the U.S., real estate and healthcare were the best performing sectors, while energy and industrials were the sectors that had the largest declines. In fixed income, the yield curve flattened a little bit in the week of trading as the benchmark 10-year Treasury rate was unchanged at 1.63%, but the 5-year rose 2 basis points and the 30-year declined 2 basis points. Commodities, lumber has been the poster child for broader commodity inflation in the reopening of the global economy. Demand for timber and new homes and home remodeling expansion has been accelerated sharply while production has been in decline. Take a look. Ever been to the store? A 2x4 is $7-8 for a 2x4 today. Ridiculous. We're seeing housing $30,000 to $40,000 more just for a lumber bill. So as a result, that's hurting things. So lumber prices now appear to be rolling over as July lumber contracts were down 22% from a record high on May 10th after tripling in price from a year earlier. Talk about economic data. Initial jobless claims were better than expected for the week ended May 15th and the lowest since March of 2020. Rather than rehiring workers, right, because they're all sitting home, not all of them, but let's be honest, there's no incentive for some of them to get back to work because they're getting paid. So what's happening now, employers appear to be adding hours to existing workers' average work week. New applications for unemployment benefits, though, have been falling in every state, with Michigan reporting the largest decrease in initial claims, which is down 13,990 in the most recent report. Now, existing home sales, 90% total, declined 2.7% in April on a month-over-month basis, below expectations. But we're still 34% up on a year-over-year basis. And sales were stymied by a lack of inventory of homes available for sale. Look at it. If you're trying to find a house, they're gone in an hour, in a day, multiple hours way over list. So there's hardly anything on the market today, and it's selling as soon as it gets on. The median sales price rose 19.1% on a year-over-year basis. Housing starts declined 9.5% month over month, also below expectations, but we're still up 67% on a year-over-year basis. Now, labor and material shortages were notable. Permits for new construction rose slightly, but were also below expectations. Talk about some company news. AT&T, which is a Core Select and a G50 holding, announced it will spin out its Warner Media assets in a tax-free transaction, which will then merge with Discovery Communications. Now, AT&T shareholders will own 71% and Discovery shareholders will own 29% of the new standalone company stock. AT&T shares were down 6.9% for the week. Palo Alto Networks, which is a G33 and Core Select holding, reported results that beat expectations and management raised guidance as revenues growth is reaccelerating. Shares rose 7.6% for the week. Let's talk about Target. They really did it. A Core Select holding reported quarterly results that were well exceeded expectations, including comparable store sales growth of 23%, digital sales growth of 50%. Management also guided sales higher for the balance of the year, and shares rose 6.6% for the week. That is all. We hope that you're doing well and enjoying the steamy week that we have this weekend. We're starting to settle down a little bit. I hope you and your family are doing well. God bless you. And of course, if you have any questions or need any help, please give us a call at 855-756-5700 or visit us online at aradvisorsinc.com. Hope you're doing well. See you next video.